Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to mark WhatsApp chats as unread on Android. All right, let's begin. To mark WhatsApp chats as unread on your Android device, start by opening the WhatsApp app. Once you're on the chats page, locate the conversation you want to mark. Long press on the contact's name or chat to select it. After that, look to the top right corner of your screen and tap on the 3 vertical dots to open the menu. From the list of options that appears, select Mark as Unread. You'll notice a small green dot appear next to the contact's name, which indicates that the chat is now marked as unread and can serve as a reminder for you to check it later. If you wish to mark additional chats, simply repeat the same steps for each conversation. This feature can be helpful if you want to revisit certain messages at a later time. And that's it. So that's basically how you can mark WhatsApp chats as unread on Android. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.